and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95, and today we are going to be taking a look at the, it says it's new, Lightning McQueen with Piston Cup in the 2021 packaging. Now, this is old because in Cars 3, when it first came out, this exact same set was released, but hey, guess I'm going to do it. On the card art, you see Lightning McQueen. They have to add the warning choking hazard because of the Piston Cup. New for 2021, not really. This McQueen art looks familiar. And now, Fallon Lightning McQueen. On the back, you'll see a bunch of other cars. His unboxing is actually coming. Pat Traxton, Murray Clutchenberg, Trainer Chris Ramirez, and pit crew member Fillmore. I never found him. And these guys were all in Cars 3, but Fillmore, you could argue, was in Cars 1 as well. Well, let's get this guy unboxed. Let's get into the unboxing of this car. Now, as Lightning McQueen goes, he's the standard Cars 3 Lightning McQueen that we all got thousands of when Cars 3 first came out. This one was made a little weird because you can see there's so much gap in there, but everything is basically the exact same. Now, the decals on this one are a little bit darker, which is kind of nice, and the finish is different, and they have more to the roof bars. You know what? That's not the main different thing here. That's not the main thing we're talking about. That's not the meat and potatoes, as some people say, of this episode. The main thing I'm talking about, this Piston Cup. It's built a lot differently than this other one. Because this is the one from the Radiator Springs Classic line with the Doc Hudson. As you can see with this one, it's gold, and look at the bottom. Nothing there. This one is bronze. The base, there's some gold at the base. And also, it's not olive on the inside, which is different. Now, by the movies, this one would be more accurate, but I like the more accurate one better. But McQueen-wise, this is a really good McQueen if you just don't have one, and if you want to do a Thailand versus China video, one of them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was. If my comments don't get turned off, which, you know what, if they get turned off, they get turned off. I'll turn them right back on. And I hope you guys enjoy this video.